Have you ever found yourself rocking your baby at 2 a.m., feeling completely exhausted, wondering if you'll ever have a full night's sleep again? You're not alone. Sleep deprivation is one of the hardest parts of parenting. It affects everything: your energy, your mental health, even your relationships. But there's a gentle, proven way to teach your baby to sleep better, and it's called the stay in the room method. And to make it even easier, there's the Baby Needs to Sleep app, a tool designed to guide you through every step of the process. Let's talk about the stay in the room method first. This approach is different from traditional sleep training methods like cry it out. It's a gentle, supportive way to teach your baby to fall asleep on their own while keeping them comforted throughout the process. Here's how it works. On the first night, you place your baby in their crib while they're drowsy but still awake. You sit in a chair right beside them, offering verbal reassurance if they cry, using your presence to help them feel secure. Over the course of 10 days, you'll slowly move the chair further away, from beside the crib, to the middle of the room, to the doorway. By the end of the process, your baby will have learned to sleep independently without feeling abandoned or stressed. What makes the stay in the room method so effective is that it gives your baby the tools they need to self soothe and sleep peacefully while still knowing that you're nearby. It's a process of building trust and confidence, both for your baby and for you as a parent. But we know that sleep training can feel overwhelming, and that's where the Baby Needs to Sleep app comes in. This app is a complete sleep solution. It features a 10-day video program that walks you through every step of the stay in the room method. Each day, you'll watch a short, focused video explaining what to do that night, why it works, and how to handle common challenges like bedtime resistance or early wake ups. These videos are designed to give you clarity and confidence so you'll always know what to do next. And let's be honest, questions will come up. That's why the Baby Needs to Sleep app includes the AI Sleep Coach Chat, your 24/7 virtual coach. Whether you're struggling with nap schedules, wondering if it's time to move the chair, or dealing with a sudden sleep regression, just type your question, and the AI Sleep Coach will provide tailored advice. It's like having a sleep consultant in your pocket anytime you need it. What makes the Baby Needs to Sleep app truly unique? It doesn't just focus on your baby's sleep, it also supports you. Stress, anxiety, and exhaustion can make consistency harder. So the app includes mom wellness features to help you stay calm, centered, and rested. The mom wellness section offers guided meditations for relaxation, stress relief, and better sleep. Take just 5 minutes for a breathing exercise or a deep relaxation session to reset after a long day. There's also a gratitude journal where you can reflect on small victories and moments of joy, shifting your mindset and helping you approach challenges with confidence. These wellness tools aren't just extras, they're an essential part of the process. When you're calm and focused, it's easier to stick to the plan and reassure your baby during this transition. Plus, your well being matters too. You deserve to feel supported and cared for throughout this journey. Now imagine what your life could look like in just 10 days. Picture this: your baby sleeps through the night or wakes up just once and settles quickly. Bedtime is smooth, predictable, and peaceful. No more hours of rocking or desperate late night searches for answers. And with your baby sleeping better, you're finally getting the rest you need, feeling more patient, energized, and present for your family. The benefits go beyond better sleep. Well-rested babies thrive emotionally, cognitively, and physically, while parents enjoy improved mental health, stronger relationships, and more time for the things they love. Say goodbye to sleepless nights with the Baby Needs to Sleep app. The 10-day video program, 24/7 AI sleep coach chat, and mom wellness features give you everything you need to succeed, and you can start tonight. Your baby needs sleep. You need sleep. Download the Baby Needs to Sleep app now and take the first step toward peaceful nights for your whole family.